Lahat ng hilo. Pahinga ka, pahinga ka. Marami. Sino kasabay ko mamaya? Si Matt.
First position of Dubai. Now Austria. Brooks. Pass downside. Out. Too strong. Rebound on let it fly. Belgium. Belgium. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on the partner. Good side to Crooks. To Anderson. Anderson now setting a play. Pass to Pilar. Used too strong. Rebound again. May good side to Pilar ka. Extra rise to Anderson. 10 to shoot. 10.
Kala ko, kampi ka pa na.
Pass downside. First basket, first shot. On the partner. Good side. Now 2-0 our score. Favor of Dubai.
De Jesus. Tanggol.
Rebound again on the partner. Good side. Crooks. Steve on Jesus. Pareño, Makalalan all the way. Yes, Makalalan. Now Anderson.
Phil James. De Jesus. Ay, makalala.
Dubai ball. Our score 2-all. 8 minutes and 31 seconds. On our first quarter is Rock against Dubai. Anderson.
Bang.
Bang. On Anderson. Now 5-2. 2-point lead on Dubai. 8 minutes and 15. Chantenko. Jesus. Back to Chantenko. Carol Jem. Let it fly again. Short. Iba na naman out there, for this is Taklak. Dubai ball, 8 minutes!
Si Maui Francisco. Marami nilalabas.
Steal again by Keljem. Let it fly. Keljem, too strong. Rebound on Austria. Foul. Foul on Makalalad. First team foul on Rock.
Papawisan na kagad. Mataas.
Now Anderson. Brooks open jump short. Rebound on Keljen to Chantenko.
Consenko. Anderson.
Ang nagbigay, nasa 500. Tapos, hindi ko tanong middle.
Saan ba? Saan si Middle?
Punta pa to.
Pupunta siya.
Hindi mo naman to. Saka natin magsara.
Pilar ka.
Ha?
Pilar
Bibigay ko.
ka. 14.
Yes, on Pilar ka. Now 7-2.
Score!
5-point lead on Dubai. 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Chantenko.
De Jesus.
Jesus, too strong. Rebound on Keljem. Yes, on Keljem. 7-4. Back to 3-point lead on Dubai. Now Austria. To Crooks. Looking for Anderson. Anderson, drop, stop, side step. Anderson, block by Makalalat. Now Keljem. Let it fly. Yes, on Keljem. 7-6. 1 point lead now on Dubai. Yes, on Pilar ka. Back-to-back shot by Pilar ka. 9-6. Jesus block by the partner Conselto. Now, Primo. Anderson drive. Understop up to Crooks. Back to Anderson. Too strong. Rebound on Chantenko. Nice pass. Yes on Jesus coming from Belgium. 9-8. 1 point lead back to Dubai. Crooks guarded by Canteco. Primo. To Anderson. Anderson.
Bibilang ka po. Wala na. Yan na yun. Sagad na yan.
Time to shoot. Bang! 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 On Anderson.
Oh, dalawa na.
Now 12-8. Back to 4 point lead on Dubai. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Chantengo. Yes, 3-point shot on Jesus. 11-12. Same ball, same ball. 14 is clock, 14. Anderson again. Drive. Block. Makalalad. Still Primo. Nice pass outside.
Belgium.
Yes, on Kelsen. Now 1 point lead on Rock. 13-12. Pilarca. Too strong again. Rebound on Makalalad. Makalalad. It's 4 minutes. Makalalad to Kelsen. Oh, still. Chantengo. Let it fly. Kelsen. 15-12. Foul. Foul on number 5. Makalalad. Time out. Inbounding Anderson. Oh, Chantengo.
Pilar.
Pilarca. Backdoor fire, Consejo. Anderson, take the shoot.
Oh,
Steal by Let It Fly. Let It Fly, KJ. Now 17-12. 5 point lead now on Rock.
paano ka? Primo.
Wow, rebound foul.
Belgium.
Foul on Kilgim. Second team foul on Rock. First on Kilgim. It's 3 minutes and 12. Primo again. Yes on Primo. Now 14-13. 3 point lead on Rock. Jesus. Too strong. Rebound on Pilarca. Steal again by Chantengo. Chantengo. Short. Nice steal again Chantengo. Chantengo side step. Corner pocket. Yes on Chantengo. 19-14. Back to 5 point lead on Rock. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Crooks. Top pump. Crooks. Jumper. Yes on Crooks. 16-19. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Back to 3 point lead on Rock.
Jake, tumira ka naman, Jake!
Jesus, 14 to shoot. Short. Jesus again, 14 is set, but 14. 10.
Ow!
Steal again by the water. Now Crooks. To Anderson. Side step, Anderson, bang! Foul on Pareño. 13 foul on Rock, personal Pareño. It's 2 minutes.
Solid. Pag salo mo nito, hindi ka naman hindi ka na makakabalik.
Hindi na makakabalik na rin.
It's only 3 point lead by Russell Kaimas, 19 to 16.
Banat na diyan.
19 to 17.
Sigaw,
2 minutes and 4 seconds. Rebound on Makalalad. The agent now. Agent Makalalad to Jesus. Same spot. Too strong. Tap. To Pareño. Now Chantengo. Fly. Still again by Chantengo. Time to shoot 10. Now Anderson. Nice move. 1-on-1. Anderson drive. Left-handed back. Nice pass outside. Now. Still again by White Shirts. The agent, Makalalad. Stop up, Makalalad. Short. It's the by ball. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Time out. It's only 2-point lead by Rock. 19 against 17. Dubai. Anderson to Crooks. Crooks. Primo.
Primo, short.
Short. Di ba nang Makalalad?
Tira, tira!
Asian. Phil James.
Jesus. Too strong. Di ba na against Belgium? 10 to shoot. 10. 58 seconds. Makalalad.
Ay, ay, ay.
Now Anderson is 3-on-1. Anderson, bump, jump. Too strong. Pilarka to Crooks. Now 3-on-3. Turnover on Blue Dubai. 40 seconds.
Alam nyo na, talunin natin sa upuan. Pag-isa.
Phil James.
Ibanon Primo. Primo now. Primo. Foul. Foul on number 6 to take a warning for penalty on Rock. 14 is set at 26 seconds. 26.
Sabi lang kung wala naging game, ang tumawag daw.
26 seconds.
Pag wala naging game, tumawag mo.
Anderson to Crooks.
Simpi ang agad. Putang ina.
Pilarka. Favorite shot. Too strong. Libanon.
Jake, tira, Jake!
Jesus. Pareño. 10 seconds.
Lalat!
Short again. 5. And our first scorer score 19 to 7.
Ay, naman.
Rock ball, rock.
Sarap ng tagas.
Bang! Oh, Nisia. Now 22 to 17. Lapayas. Looking for Arangues. Too strong. Ipan on the door, aparador.
Francisco. Oh.
Nalungsod. 14 to shoot, 14. Bang! Oh, Suarez.
Lapit.
25 to 17.
Pare, go strong.
Sureta. Whoa! Ano guys shot coming from Sureta, 19 to 25. 6-point lead back to Rock.
Anim lang yan, anim. Baba.
Easy again.
Batay. Yan,
Pasok Francisco.
Yan.
Suarez, 10 to shoot, 10.
Lapit.
Bang! On Suarez. 28 to 19, back to 9-point lead on Rock.
Lapitan mo na pare ito, dala sa atin. Saan ang effort natin? Technical tayo.
Sureta. Side step, same spot. Whoa! What a shot coming from Sureta, 21 to 28.
Lapit.
Back to 7-point lead on Rock. Steal by Sureta. It's 2 or 3. Steal again by Suarez.
Nice one, pare, nice one. Wala warning yung nakaupan. Oo, warning yun, no? Warning tayo, Ben. Warning. Scrapper na yun. Technical na pala yun, pare, no?
Oh, si pala niyo.
Okay, ready?
Saling pusa yun.
10 to shoot. Sureta. Tap. By Alak. Arangues. 14 seconds, 14. Whoa! Plumer, 23 to 28. Back to 5-point lead on Rock. Now Francisco.
Lapit, pare, lapit, lapit!
Paso na Aparador, Francisco. Tuwisi ha, 14 to shoot.
Lapit, lapit, titiran!
Ay, grabe.
Wala, agis na.
Ibanon Musalpa. Now Arangues.
Ito, dalawa kayo.
Tulo sulit ha.
Mainit, sobra. Tagas din ako eh. Foul!
Foul.
Dalawa pare, dalawa. Down.
Foul on Francisco.
25.
First on Francisco, first team foul on Rock. It's 28 to 23. 5-point lead against Russell Kaima. Short. Musalpa, foul. Foul on Aparador. Second team foul on Rock, first on Aparador.
Nala to? Gears nila. Anim pala yan, anim.
Plus 1.
Dapat tao ah. Tayo ba yan? Apat. Jay, ilalim ka, Jay.
Isa wala.
Punta ka doon.
Shot isa wala. Na-shot isa wala.
Yan, labas. Yan, lapit pare, lapit. Ganyan.
Shot isa wala.
24 na. Sureta. Whoa! Sureta now 26 to 28.
Simple lang, hindi ka latal eh. Relax.
Nice, Jay.
Tusong, Ibanon Musalpa.
Apa.
Ayan, diretso. It's okay pare, it's okay.
Now 6 minutes and 48 seconds.
Yan.
Robin Belichick throwing.
Pare, hold tayo, relax nyo. Ikot ang bola.
26 to 28.
Marquez, ikot mo. Bumigat ka agad. Bigyan nyo isolation. Sarap, parang dyan.
Apa.
Tira.
Primo.
10 to shoot.
Lavarius.
Tang, by Musalpa. Arangues. Alak. In and out. Rebound by Lungsol. 6 minutes.
Kaya!
Foul.
Wala pare.
Foul on number 23 on Lavarias. First on Lavarias. First team foul on Dubai.
Sarap ng Alfonso!
20 Lavarius Richard. 19.
Galit na galit. Kinuha ko lang.
Daming init pare.
Now Sureta. Steal by Francisco. Now the door, Aparador. 3-1, Aparador, the door. 30 to 26.
Apat. Ilan pa time out namin?
Isa lang.
4-point lead on Rock. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Wow, offensive foul on Arangues. First on Arangues. First team foul on Dubai. Francisco. Isia. Dari Musalpa. 14 to shoot.
Ganda, depensa natin. Ganda.
Oh! Wow, shot! Now the door of Aparador. 32 to 26. Wow, short. Time out on the Alak, 14 to shoot, Lavarias. Arangues. Too strong. Rebound by Busalpa. 1 minute and 43 seconds. 14 seconds at clock, 14.
Go strong, penalty.
Oh! Surreta, 34 to 39. Back to 5-point lead on Rock. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Now Francisco. Isia. Nice fake. Still by Surreta. Surreta now. Whoa! Steal on the mountain. Wow! Same ball, 1 minute and 13 seconds. It's to 5 ball, 39 against the 34, 1 minute and 12, 14 is set at 14.
Second.
Tapos na.
Tabarias. Surreta, 10 to shoot. In and out, rebound again by Busalpa, Surreta again. Yes, on Surreta, 36 to 39. 3-point lead now on Rock. Francisco. Bang, 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 bang on the mic bounce. Isia, 42 to 36. 40 seconds. Alak. Rebound again by Suarez to Francisco. 30 seconds.
Mahangin na.
Wow, turnover. 26 seconds. 26.
Last shot. Pre, last shot.
Only 6-point lead on Rock.
Last shot. Uy! Bagong pinipit na.
Foul.
It's okay pare, depensa kayo.
Warning on Dubai. Warning on Dubai. 14 foul. Second personal foul on Arangues. 13 seconds.
Strike. Penalty.
Whoa! Lungsod. And first.
Kayo na pa rin diretso.
Dubai ball, Dubai.
Ako lang yung laro natin. Elektro, makakakil yan.
Surreta drive. Too strong. Now ball, huh? Short. Now Anderson. The captain. Short.
Bunsa na.
Number 1 joke.
Choco. Choco.
Castillo. Busalpa.
Pirocho.
Busalpa attempt. Too strong. Rebound by Bonga. 9 minutes. Castillo. Air ball. 8 minutes and 56 seconds. Now Anderson. Rebound by Busalpa. Foul.
Pirocho.
Foul on number 1 on Birocha.
Si Richard.
First personal pa, first foul.
Na 600 lang. Ha?
Pausapin mo yan. Sige, usap ako sa kamay.
Hindi ko sabi si John Medina lang kasi mga bigyan na sila 100 dyan.
Yes, on Musalpa. 44 to 38.
Ayun pala.
Castillo. Short. Foul. Foul on the captain Midel. First on the captain. First team foul on the bye.
Tunay.
10 to shoot.
Oh no.
Bonga. Short. Rebound on Sureta. To Anderson. Musalpa again. Musalpa. Oh, turnover against Rock. It's 7 minutes and 48. Steal by Anderson. Now, Gurucho. Nice defense, nice rebound on Gunsenko. Anderson. Hey. Pass outside, Musalpa. Too strong, Musalpa again. Foul. Foul on Bonga. First on Bonga. First team foul on Rock. Second team foul on Rock. Free throw shot coming from Musalpa. Basket 39 to 44. 14 to 44. Now 4-point lead on Rock. It's 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh, make some defense!
Bonga. Castillo. Gurucho. Tunaire. 10 to shoot. Seven minutes. Now the captain Midel. It's still by Bonga. It's 2-1. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Eighteen is at 18, 6 minutes and 30. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson! Now 43 to 44, 1 point lead on Rock. Down! Rebound again on Gonzago. Now the captain Midel. Anderson. Side step, up. Midel again. White ball, white. 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Castillo. Rebound on Sureta. Black. 14 is at 14. 10. Time out, rep. Time out. On Rock.
Passport tayo, passport. Dalawa! Ay, dalawa, kuya! Ay, na. Meron sa kamay?
Third team foul, third. 44 all, 44.
Nice, man!
45 to 44, 1 point lead now by Dubai. 14 to shoot.
Ay, ay, ay! White ball.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Sige lang, sub tayo, sub. Sub tayo, sub. Pwede na sub.
5 minutes. Foul. Palan Consejo sa binisundan.
First second.
Our next game will be Al A versus Al Queen.
Nice one.
45 to 44, 1 point lead now by Dubai. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 45 all. Now Anderson.
Hey, dito isa! Balang! Yun o, patay.
Castillo. Pirocho. Akuchelan. Castillo. Whoa! Castillo. 47-45.
Offensive!
Sige lamang sila sa bantao.
Castillo. Captain Midel. 40 receipt lang ka 14. Yes, and Pirocho now 49 to 45. 4 point lead now on rock. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Wala pa ho. Pasok na pa. Wala, diyan ka lang.
10 to shoot.
Apat lang yan sila dyan sa loob ha.
5. Unare.
Patasan!
10 to shoot. Yes, Unare. Time out. On Dubai. Three minutes and 12 seconds. It's 51 to 45. Anderson, 14 to shoot. Arges. The captain. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Bossing, iilang ako bossing. Dipesa.
Steve Arges. Arges, one to Pirocho. Arges, drive Arges. He's strong. Stop by the Captain Midel. Anderson. Short.
Donaire, Castillo. Castillo.
Ako na binatukan.
Steal by now the captain, 1-1. The captain stop, the captain, steal again on the white shirts, 2 minutes and 13 seconds.
Iwan isa.
Francisco.
Pirocho. Short. Anderson.
Pare, bawas kayo. Bawas.
Yes, on extra rise. Pillarca. Now 47-51. Oh, Castillo. 53-47, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sabrep, 14 cents, 14. Anderson out. Crocs in. Crocs. Pillarca. Bang! Bang, 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 bang! Oh, Pillarca now 52-50. 3-point lead now on Rock. Now Francisco.
Na-convert tayo. Sana hindi sila ma-convert. Yan. Isa pare ha.
Yes, yung Pirocho. 55-50. 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Now Orges. 14 to shoot.
Ay, Damel! Sit!
Yes, again on Pillarca. 52-55. 40 seconds.
Hoy, hindi na nakakasya sa pare. Nakabili!
Dalawang beses na yun.
Ilan tumitira?
14 to shoot.
Tirdas ah.
Wala pa!
It's 3-1. Totally very second.
Kailangan lang eh.
23 seconds, 23.
Semina.
Last shot, last shot.
20. Foul. 30 foul on Orges. Second team foul on the by. 17 seconds.
Pare may one team foul pa tayo ha. Walang akong shooting. Walang akong shooting. Defensa lang. Pop lang, pop.
15.
Kumain dyan. Hey, last shot.
Hoy, baba!
5 seconds.
Tira ka.
Basket net count. Our score.
Tayo ha. Ito pare. Hindi mo kanina.
Rock ball.
Anderson, ikaw. Pre, wala isi siya pre. First game natin. Pangalan natin.
Gana.
Rock ball.
Ready.
Now Chantenko.
Pag ikaw na yan sa loob.
Step on the line. 9 minutes and 49 seconds. 50 to shoot. 15. Makalalad. To Chantenko. 14 to shoot. Orges. To Sureta. Guarded by Belgium. Sureta. Pass outside. Foul. Walang pass. Kali from Sureta to Pusalpa. First. Puspalat. Foul on Makalalad. First team foul on Rock. Second personal foul on the agent Makalalad. It's 52 to 55. 3-point lead on Rock.
Ito galing ko naman Tubos pa.
83 to 55. 2-point lead now on Rock.
Hulog yan, papasok!
Short.
Ilang set lang.
Orges. Belgium. 9 minutes. Kelvin. Air ball. Rebound ng Gonzago. Now Sureta. Foul. Sa foul on Pareño. Second team foul on Rock. Second personal foul on Pareño.
Babaw ha, sige lang yan.
Now Sureta. Steve. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Sureta. First team foul on Dubai. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Chantenko.
Easy na.
Now rebound by Jesus. 10 to shoot. Oh, Chantenko. Foul. Foul on Kedim. 13 foul on Rock.
Pagwilo pa lang.
Ay, shit.
Kaya pa yan. Papapag lang yan.
Bagay, ano na yan? Yun na sa laro yan.
Hindi magpasabaw, 20.
Bakit sobrang kapit sa batos mo?
Hindi magpasabaw, 20.
Ah.
Substitution left, Sabrap.
Hindi magpasabaw, 20.
Sabrap, Sab. Warning on Rock for delay the game. Warning on Rock for delay the game.
Ano na lang warning na, penalty na.
Sino warning kanina?
Tayo na wala, kanina yung nakahubad.
Iba naman yun eh, jersey yun eh.
Bakit sab?
Shoot.
55 to 57. Now 2-point lead on Rock. Short.
Coach.
10 to shoot. 5. Busal pa.
Bigay ka Ranggis.
Sureta. Oh, Busal pa. Now 57 all. It's 7 minutes and 15. Foul. Lagi ang number 44, Rory Reyes. Fourth on Reyes, Sandito Sunat. Second team foul on the by. Sandito Sunat, Sabrep. Arangues out. 57 all, 57.
Boy!
10 to shoot.
Nice one, open.
No.
Now Anderson.
Nice one!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Anderson. Now 60 to 57. 3-point lead on the by. Too strong. Rebound on Pilarca. To Sureta. Sureta now. Sureta. Shot to go. Sureta. Timeout. On Rock. Our score now 62 to 57.
Para bumilis.
Phil J.
Foul. Foul on Busal pa. 13 Palo Dubai. First on Busalpa. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Now 58 to 62. Foul. Foul on Anderson. Warning for penalty device. Dito sa rep, sub rep. Warning on Dubai. Francisco. Busalpa. To Anderson.
Nice, baby.
Isia. Dang, 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 dang. Oh, Isia. 62 to 61. 1 point lead now on Dubai. 5 minutes and 10. The block by Castillo. Now Francisco. Castillo. Busalpa. Steal. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Atin na.
Dubai ball. Dubai ball. Sub. 62 to 61, 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
Papalusin din, pre, ha? Lamang tayo, eh. Pare, huwag natin pakawalan. Lamang tayo. Huwag kayo matakot. Lamang tayo. Sugod. Go.
40 to shoot, 40.
Pasukan mo, pare. Pasukan mo.
10. 4 minutes and 20.
Sasawig. Sila. Tinatao, eh. Harap. Isa pa. Pasok.
40 to shoot.
Ow!
40 to shoot, 40 to set latal, 40.
Isa, pare, kita. Tulak mo, tulak. Ilalim.
10.
Ilalim. Hello. Foul, pare. Foul.
Foul on Anderson, penalty.
Good bounce, pare.
Second.
Sub rep, second personal foul against Anderson.
Binalikat, eh.
Lon.
Pedro.
3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Pare, pag natin ng bola, go for the kill. Lamang tayo, eh. Wala, oh. Pagkita sila.
Derek. Tuloy mo yung saya. Pasok ng Tagalog. Kapangpangan pala, kapangpangan. Isa lang.
All.
62! 3 minutes and 30!
Pare, screenan mo. Screenan mo.
Now Sureta.
Ino, kat sa gitna! Kat sa gitna! Labanan mo dyan, Ino! Oy!
Ayaw na! Laro na! Ayaw na!
10 to shoot, 10.
Bigay! Bigay!
8 seconds, 8 seconds to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot.
Penalty! Pre! Pre! Nice one! Amin! Send ball!
Jambol! Jambol next!
Rock ball, rock.
Sino pwedeng patok? Ryan! Nice one!
Yes, on the door, on the door. Stop, sound. Time out. Oh.
Pressure!
Guys.
Oh! Kaya! Huwag siya sa akin!
Taas na door, taas na! Walang sunod!
40 to shoot.
Uy!
Screen!
10.
Uy! Offensive na rips oh!
Wala!
Bang! On Sureta. It's 65 to 64. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Makalalan. Foul. Foul on number 5. On Gonzaga. Penalty. Second personal foul against Gonzaga.
Kahit saan, pwede pa nga mo yun, ano? Moving screen. Back out!
65 all.
Literal na isa.
Labanan nyo na lang yung screen. Huwag na ipailalim.
Huwag na magpano.
Huwag na magpailalim. Nice dog.
Now 1 point lead for Rock, 66 to 65.
Kayo! Saan? Okay na! Maganda! Presto, Mark! Presto!
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Tira!
Bigay tayo ng screen!
10 to shoot.
Nice shot!
Yes, on Makalalan, 68 to 65.
Pressure!
3 point lead on Rock.
Ayay!
Wala!
Uy! Balik!
Ay, si Palalan!
Sing!
Shot!
Bang!
Yes, on Kelton, 5 point lead now on Rock, 70 to 65.
Nice one! Ano na laki bulo?
1 minute.
Hey!
10 to shoot.
Tira yan!
14.
Wala!
45 seconds.
Likod dyan!
Basta lang, hawak!
40 seconds.
Tawid na, JD! Jade, tawid na! Sige na dyan!
Tira!
Dapat kayo oras!
40 to shoot. 30 seconds. 29 seconds. 29. Sabrep. Time out on Rock.
Okay, tira, papalit ako sa ano. Wala pa? Dito wala pa tayo. Ilang foul? Tatlo ha. Diba, pasok ka na, bossing. Hindi ako makatakbo kay Flores. Kami na time out.
Hindi kayo pwede mag-time out, sir. Kayo nakashoot.
Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball, dead ball. 40 seconds.
Hindi naman nagula namin eh. Sila pala galing time out na.
Bola namin. Bola namin, bola namin.
Mag-time out kayo, may isa time out pa kayo.
Bola namin.
May time out ka sa diba?
Turnover.
O, time out kayo.
Ano ba, bola nyo, bola nyo.
Hindi, kanina yun. May time out pa kayo, gamitin nyo. Gamitin nyo. May time out pa kayo, gamitin nyo, hindi.
Time out. Mga Dubai.
Binabangga ka namin. Kaya hindi lang makapasok. Iwasan nyo. Saan ka na maglaro? Tsaka dadating ang lamig pagtapos. Ay, yung lamig pagtapos. Nahangin na ba? Nahangin na nga eh. Kahit sa Alya, pag naglaro ka na Alya, tsaka dadating yung lamig. Tira, luwag! Tira maluwag! Pasa mo pare, pasa mo!
Take the shoot, 10.
Taas.
Wala!
Ay, sayang!
Hawak! Kapit oras!
Libre! Kaya, tres!
Kundi mo!
Wala!
Takin na, dirasyon.
Hawak!
5 seconds.
Nice!
Takin na,
Okay!
And number